internet can sometimes be a digital garbage dump that does more harm than good. So it's hard to fault someone when they actively seek to avoid the negativity, especially as a public figure. When Atlanta Falcons rookie defensive end Takkarist McKinley announced earlier this month that he was ditching his social media accounts and going dark online, many probably assumed he was doing so to keep a distance from that negativity while focusing on making his mark in the NFL. Deactivating all my social media account by midnight for a while. Changing my tomorrow. If you don't hear from me anymore, oh well. Takkarist McKinley attacked September 5, 2017. McKinley's star and celebrity rose after he brought a photo of his late grandmother on stage and delivered an impassioned speech complete with an unexpected bomb at the NFL draft, and with that increased exposure comes more haters and trolls. It'd be hard to blame him if he wanted to distance himself from that. But when the 21-year-old returned to Twitter this week, it seemed fair to ask why his hiatus was so brief. His answer to that question was unexpected and, frankly, a bit confusing. According to McKinley, he was sick of puppies. I'm not sure exactly how one gets sick of puppy videos. They are one of the few beacons of light in the vast wastelands of the web, but apparently, McKinley found a way. That begs the question, exactly how many puppy videos did he actually watch? He was only off the grid for about 2 weeks, which is definitely not enough time to watch all the puppy videos YouTube has to offer, especially if you are also balancing a pro football career on the side. Hess leaving quite a lot of adorable puppies moments on the table. But, to be fair, puppies stink at making memes, so sometimes you just have to let Twitter back into your life